I found a song I wrote about 4 or 5 years ago after a pretty bad breakup called I'm Leaving You. It's kind of got a bluesy feel to it. Feel free to duet this and add anything you like. I let go of the song because it's kind of got weak lyrics. Maybe I'll rewrite it, but it's fun to play, so feel free to add anything you like. Yeah, I've been trying to tell you, but you wouldn't listen. Yeah, I've been trying to tell you, but you wouldn't listen. Said you're crying for another day. I'm leaving you. Don't get burned now, you're playing with fire. Yeah, don't get burned now, you know I'm on fire. You know I'd be lying if I said I wasn't hurt too. I'm leaving you.